Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to your accountancy subject. As you may be knowing that we are with the sixth chapter of your accountancy part one book. So almost the trial balance and the rectification of errors we are dealing, and almost we are at the end of the part of this chapter. Few more illustrations will be solved and will be ending. Till now, we have completed the trial balance, overall concept, then rectification of errors. In that, we have discussed all detailed about the rectification of errors with the searching of the errors with the starting point. Then, till now, we are with the concept of rectification of errors affecting trial balance. See, previously we discussed which does not affect trial balance. Before the trial balance is prepared, that time errors are there. And when it affects the trial balance, what all things are going to be there, that we have almost discussed. Then further we are just like we ended with this of the slides, which you can see in the image here. While rectifying one-sided errors, suspense account, the following steps are taken. Now here almost we need to know what is the suspense account, as we have discussed it in previous session. But now we are going to remove the suspense account. How we are going to remove that, we are going to know over here. So almost this was discussed in the previous session, but I will just highlight over here. Identify the account affected due to the error. Now almost when you are getting a examine, just imagine that you are getting a shortage of credit side. Now you are going to focus and find it out which account is affected. First it is credit or debit side. If it is credit side, where we are going to move to the ledger accounts and see where we have done the mistakes, just like that. Then almost second point, what it says, if it is exceeds, means excess amount is there in a debit side. So you are going to find it out how the excess amount came, why the answer didn't get tally the debit side and the credit side, that you are going to find it out the amount. So here it is, ascertain the amount of excess debit or credit or shortage of debit or credit affects the account. Now this trial balance will be affected due to the shortage of amount or excess of the amount, that you can see. Then if the errors have resulted with the excess debit or short credit, that is what in the previous class I told you with the calculation part on the board, debit and credit. If it is excess of the debit side, that is what the left hand side. If it is excess, what you are going to do, and if it is a shortage, what you are going to do, you are going to transfer it, right? So almost that correction can be done. How the steps of correction we should do, that we have almost discussed now. And further, if the errors are resulting, that is the same point where third and fourth, excess of the debit side and shortage of the credit side, or else excess of the credit side and shortage for the debit side. This is what vice versa we can say. Same the things, only the sides will be different. So what we are going to do here, that we have seen here. Then almost with the last point, complete the journal entry by debiting or crediting the suspense account. That is what, how the suspense account is open, that we shall see here. So almost the next slide, here it is. We will now discuss the process of rectifying using suspense account. How we correct the errors by removing the suspense account. How we are rectifying means removing the or correcting the errors which are been made. So first point, it says that credit sale of Mohan, that is what the sale took place on the credit basis. It is not a cash transaction, it is a credit transaction of rupees 10,000, was not recorded to his account. Now this account means what? Journal entry is passed, but account is not recorded here. It is what? Partly omission. Journal entry, just you have to understand it. Just by the sentence you have to understand, which is not posted means what? In the ledger account it is not posted. Means journal entry has took place over here. So here, this is an error of partial omission committed while posting entries to the sales account. While posting the entries to the sales account, this is what now one of the error which took place. They have not posted the journal entry of the sales account to the Mohan. That what the entry went wrong. So wrong effect has been. Which was the wrong effect? Here Mohan's account debtor to sales account. Amount is nil. Means what? The amount is not posted in his account. That is what ledger account. Ledger account of Mohan's, the amount has not reached. But in the sales account, it has been shown 10,000. Got the thing? How in the image itself you are going to understand the concept. How it has been told. First of all, entry took place in the journals. Okay. But in the posting of the account, they have not made. So how you are going to correct that? The current entry would be the correct effect would be Mohan's account dated to the sales account. The amount has to be written both the side, debit and the credit side. So it is going to take as a 10,000 rupees amount. Then rectification entry. How you can rectify the entry? Now correction has to be done. The amount has been not posted to his account. That is what one of the error has been found. Now at the last third one, you can see there the rectification entry will be what it is, Mohan's account dated to suspense account. Now here you are going to shift it, the amount which was not made. You are not going to erase. Keep in mind, you are not going to erase like this any of the amount, just like I will mention here 10,000. You are not going to erase here and write here 10,000. Just like this. That we have already discussed. I'm not going to repeat again and again that point. So here almost, as in the previous session we discussed about the suspense account, for what purpose it is been used, the same thing it is been shown over here. So how you are going to open the suspense account? In this way, Mohan's account data 10,000 rupees to suspense account. This was the first entry. Let's see here. Credit sales to Mohan of rupees 10,000 were posted in his account 7,000. Now this is the error. See, almost they have made the sales of how much rupees? Mohan's account. Mohan's account, it has to be 10,000. Okay, so this is the amount. But how much they have posted here? 7,000. There is a shortage of 3,000 rupees. What is the shortage of this amount? 3,000 is the shortage. So here, this is an error of commission. This error stands here, commission. Means wrong entry or wrong amount if it is posted. Remember the points. See, what kind of error take place here? Wrong amount is posted. Got the thing? So there is a shortage of amount which has been posted to his account. So this 3,000 is a shortage of amount. So here, the Mohan's account has been debited to 7,000. This is what debit amount is been made to the Mohan's account, debtor amount. Then, instead of 10,000 rupees, 10,000 has to be debited. But they have posted only 7,000. Then, resulting in the shortage of debit of rupees 3,000, the wrong entry was just like this. Mohan's account data 7,000 it was, and to sales account 10,000. So there is a shortage of amount. There is a shortage of amount of rupees 3,000 is a shortage amount. So that how you are going to make it? What will be the correct entry for this? Mohan's account data 10,000 to sales account creditor 10,000. That would be the correct entry. As you can see in a slide, the correct entry would be for 10,000. But this is the error of commission where wrong amount of entry is been taken. Means wrong amount is been taken over here. This is what wrong amount. The correct amount is 10,000, but they have posted 7,000. 3,000 is shortage. Shortage of amount is 3,000. So it is error of commission. Then the correct entry was Mohan's account data to sales account 10,000 rupees. It was taken. Then how you are going to rectify it? Almost we are dealing with the suspense account. Here you are not going to erase just like this and write here 10,000. This is not applicable here. You cannot make erase the accounts or just like the scratch on this account, books of accounts. That has to be remembered by you. So it has been taken here as a Mohan's account Mohan's account data, how much? 3000 is the amount, and then suspense account to suspense account 3000. So almost the things will get corrected. So now every time you are going to find out what kind of error you are taking place. Okay, that's what the thing. Then next one. So here credit sale to Mohan rupees 10,000 were posted to the account 12,000. This is now excess amount. This took place of Mohan's account, it was 10,000. This is what, again, the name is only one, but the errors, what kind of errors take place, that we are taking. So almost the transaction of this was 10,000. The sales is been made to the Mohan is only 10,000, but excess amount is been taken. Excess amount is posted to his account. How much is the excess? 2000 rupees is the excess amount. Okay, so what you are going to do over here? This is the error of commission almost. Why? Because when there is a error which is taking place regarding the amount, wrong entry of amount, it means it is a error of commission only. Okay, here it is not been told, it is been journalized but not posted. If it is partial, if whole of the account only is not posted, it is complete omission. Okay, that is one of the thing. Here it is commission, error of commission it is. So here the entries took place. How the entry was there? Mohan's account data. This is the amount 12,000, and to sales account. Sales account, it has been taken 10,000. So almost it is not getting tallied. Here it is excess amount. You can write here excess amount, right? So here what you are going to do here? So this excess amount, you are going to take it down back. First thing, what would be the correct entry for this? Mohan's, as you can see in the slides, but I am going to mention over here, Mohan's account data to sales account. Exactly the correct entry will be 10,000 rupees amount. This was the correct entry. This is wrong. Why? Because the excess amount has been mentioned over here. This is one kind of error of commission. Now here the correct entry. Now this has to be taken back from the Mohan's account, right? Mohan has been paid 12,000 rupees. The excess amount of 2,000 you have to take it back. So what you are going to make here? The excess amount you are going to take it, suspense account data to, here we are going to take it back from Mohan's account. Mohan's account. 2,000 rupees we are going to take it back from him. So this is what the adjustment entry. Adjustment entry means for correcting or rectifying the error which took place. That is what the entry we have taken in the suspense account. Next, let's see further one. Here what it is even told? Purchase book overcasted. Here purchase book in overcasted with by rupees 1,000. Now this purchase book is been overcasted by rupees 1,000. Error in casting of the subsidiary book affects this account where totals of the subsidiary book subsidiary books involved are posted. All the subsidiary books entry are been posted here. The accounts of individual parties are not affected. Here there is a wrong amount over here. Now it has been told overcasted. Overcasted means 1,000 they have made excess. Overcasted means excess or overcast or excess amount is been given to the purchase account. Okay, so here exactly how the things will come here. Remaining accounts are been told over here, right? So it is been given here. Dhiru's account is 8,000, Chandra Prakash account is 7,000, and Sach's account is 6,000. It should be a 21,000. Then in the purchase account, wrong total due to the overcasting. Here the totaling should be how much? 21. But they have taken this excess amount over here and made it 22,000. So here it is what it has been told, wrong total due to the overcasting. Here overcasting has been made. Here more 1,000 amount is been given more over here. So this is what the error which is in found. Now here you can find it out or solve the things. This is all about the question. ये question है. This is the question. How it has been told? Purchase book overcasted. This is what overcasted. How much rupees? 1,000 rupees has been overcasted. Error of casting of subsidiary book. The subsidiary book we have removed. The purchase account is a subsidiary book. Affects only those accounts where total of the subsidiary books involved are posted. Now subsidiary books, we are going to see how the entries take place. Now here the purchase account subsidiary book is open. Now individual entries, how they are going to take place, that we are going to see. The accounts of the individual parties are not affected. Individual parties are not affected here. Whatever the entries are there for Dhiru's, then Chandra Prakash and Sachin's, they are not affected. It is a mistake of the accountant. The totaling he has made wrong. The total must be how much? 21,000. But he has made 22,000 rupees. So it is a mistake of accountants. So all the entries are been given here. Ledger accounts are been given. How it is? Dhiru's account is been shown over here. Purchase of rupees 8,000. That is been told. Then Prakash, that is what purchase is 7,000. It has been told. Then Sachin's it is 6,000. So almost amounts are the correct. 7,000. Then first one was 8,000, 7,000 and 6,000. If we total this, it will be 21,000. This is the correct entry. But in the purchase account, the sundry was taken as a 22,000. So here 1,000 is excess. That you are going to remove it from the purchase account. So here suspense account entry has been told here. How it is? Suspense account data to purchase account. We are taking back money from purchase account. This is what, how much amount? 1,000 rupees. We are going to take it back from that person. So here down you can see there the correction entry has been made. Suspense account is data. That is what we are taking back. So suspense account is getting money 1,000 rupees means it is debited. And here we are removing out means what? We are crediting the purchase account. So that entry we have taken here. Now here what you are going to understand from this question? What kind of errors we get? Here in the points what we had discussed, 5 points we discussed, right? So posting of the accounts, if it is not made, that was the first point. Then when there is excess amount entry to the debit side or credit side, that we find it out. Then when it is shortage or excess entry, third and fourth point, we have find it out. And lastly, the suspense account, which will be helping or removing, that we have find it out. So here almost all the points, how we steps involved, the 5 steps which were involved, as I started with the 5 steps that are been seen over here. All 5 steps took place. If you all are having any of the doubts regarding these 5 steps, what we have done till now, the 5 points, you can raise now. Your questions should be very fast.
No, sir.
No one is having any of the doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, then I will move further. Here is the last part. See, after this we are going to discuss the illustration. This will be the last slide for you all, the theoretical part. The examples and all we have done with the illustrations which are there. Now the question has been already sent for you. After this slide, we'll try to complete one of the illustration which already I have sent you the question. So that we will be trying on the board now. Okay, so let me complete this part. See, rectification of errors in the next accounting year. See, most probably till now we have discussed the errors which does not affect trial balance, right? Second part was which affect the trial balance. Now rectification of errors in next accounting period. Now how you are going to rectify once you close this financial year? Yes, in this year you have not find it out any of the errors. When you are opening the new account, means when you are starting with the new accounting year, that time if it is affected, how it is? Let's see. See, if some errors committed during the accounting year are not located. Now here, let's imagine this was the year 1920. This is what financial year we are going to see. Now here in this year, it is not located. इस साल में कोई भी एरर हम लोगों ने लोकेट नहीं किया. Yes, if you have not located any of the error in this year, now what you are going to see? If some errors committed during the accounting year, this we are taking accounting year, are not recorded. यहाँ पर errors हुए हैं लेकिन located नहीं हुआ, and rectify before the finalization of financial statements. And here rectification means correction has to be made. Correction has to be made over here before the financial statements are prepared. Suspense account cannot be closed and its balance will be carried forward to the next accounting year. If the correction is not made, remember, if the correction is not made, the suspense account will not be closed. ये closed नहीं होता. This will not be closed. It will be carried forward. You are going to see here, you are going to carry the suspense account to the next accounting year 2021. So this account will be carried to next accounting year. That's what the point has to be seen over here, carried forward to the next accounting year. Then when the errors committed in the one accounting year are located and rectified in the next accounting year, profit and loss adjustment account will be debited or credited in the place of accounts of expenses or losses and income and gain in the order to avoid the impact of the income statement of the next accounting period. Now here what happens, in this year, if the errors are not found, and if you have found the errors in this accounting year, now what all things will there see? Here you are going to rectify it, and that will be adjusted to the profit and loss adjustment account. Why we remove this account? You have to remember why, because further we are going to have this kind of adjustment, this kind of accounts. Here previous year's error, this is what previous year. Now this year, current year, we are having this one. In this we have not got any of the errors, so we have not located the errors. Now in this year we have located the errors. Here you cannot directly affect profit and loss account directly, or income and expenditure account. Here this account will not be affected directly. Here you have to make a separate profit and loss adjustment account. Here it has been told, when the errors committed in one accounting year are located, rectify the errors in the next accounting year. Profit and loss account adjustment will be debited or credited. This is what adjustment account you are going to open. Profit and loss adjustment account. For what specifically you are going to open? For this errors which will be located in this accounting year. Previously they have not found any of the errors. Now in this year you are going to find it out, and that will be this account. In the place of this will not be taken. In the place of this income and expenditure account or profit and loss account, in this, to avoid the impact of this, ये सभी अकाउंट क्यों निकालते हैं? ये कोई अकाउंट इफेक्ट ना हो इसलिए ये अकाउंट निकालते हैं. अगर ये इफेक्ट हो गया तो ये फाइनेंशियल ईयर में आपके एडजस्टमेंट्स बहुत ही गलत हो सकते हैं. दैट्स व्हाट देयर में go many of the things wrong in this accounting year. For that purpose, so here it has been the impact of income and income statement in the next accounting year. You will prepare about the aspect of the advanced stage of your studies in the accounting. Now here we are going to discuss further things, and as I have sent you the problems that we are going to solve on the board now, one of the problem we will be solving today, and remaining one you will be doing as a homework, and next tomorrow's class we will solve two of the problems and we shall end up with this chapter. Okay, so here we are going to stop this slide. Here we are going to end up with the slide. So here we will move for the practical one. Okay, so everyone is having the questions? As already I have sent you the questions.
Yes, sir.
How many of you all have seen? I really don't know about it. So just I will try to clear the concepts now here. So this entry, the errors are been given. So the entry is been told rectify the errors. Now it is totally based on the credit purchases. See, I will read it out. Credits purchase from Raghu, rupees 20,000. There is a credit purchase from Raghu. The amount is 20,000. So I will write credit purchase from Raghu. Rupees 20,000. This is what the amount. Rupees 20,000. This was the entry. Then here down they have nearly given you 10 errors. What are that errors? First error says that were not recorded. Means this transaction was not recorded only. If this transaction is not recorded, what will be the entry? If the amount is not recorded, now here we have purchased the goods from Raghu. Means what it will be? Purchase account data to Raghu's account, right?
Yes, sir.
आप हो या सो गए? Now
Yes, sir.
you are going to
Yes, sir.
reply me the answers. When there is a purchase
Yes,
entry,
sir.
we are purchasing. This is what the company is purchasing the goods from this
Yes, sir.
Raghu. Then what will be the entry? Almost when we are making the purchase,
The purchase account
data to
debtor to Raghu's account.
the amount is 20,000. Here, one by one, we are going to find it out what kind of errors they
Raghu's
have
account.
told us, right?
Yes,
And
sir.
wherever it is necessary, we are going to see the suspense account as well. So the first entry,
Yes, sir.
what will be the first entry? Purchase account data
Raghu's account, sir.
Yes, sir.
purchase account data to Raghu's account.
Account. Yes, sir.
The amount is how much here? 20,000, right? 20,000.
Yes, sir.
So narrations, I will just dictate. You have to copy down the narrations, okay? So here it is. The narration is credit purchase
Okay,
from
sir.
Raghu omitted to be recorded. Means here it is not recorded, means it is a error of omission, complete omission. Got the idea? Here totally we have not recorded the
Yes,
entry,
sir.
means it is omitted. The error of omission has taken place and it is completely not recorded. It is completely omission, complete omission over here. So here now it is corrected. How it is corrected? Purchase account data to Raghu's account. If you make, that will be
Yes,
the
sir.
correct entry. Then second point, what it is been told?
The word
Where
recorded as 10
recorded
rupees
at rupees
1000.
10,000.
10,000.
Now, which kind of error we
Yes.
got here? Amount entry. When it is wrong in the amount, what kind of error we get?
The errors of omission.
Which one?
The errors of omission.
Omission. Omission or commission? I need to answer from you. How you are going to find it out the error? That I need to know now. Here, if the
The errors of commission.
amount entry is wrong, which we are going to take. Remember the point. When the amount should be 20,000, we are taking 10,000 means there is a amount, wrong entry of amount.
Yes, sir.
If there is a wrong entry of amount, which you are going to do? Yes? As you forgot the 5 rules of this accountancy, now even this searching of the errors you are forgetting. I need to make certain things to you, correction entries for your sake. I will give you one of the homework now after this class. You will get one homework. See, directly here it is a error of commission if it is a wrong amount entry. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
See, credit purchase from Raghu recorded 10,000 instead of 20,000. Now it is corrected here. Now here, purchase account. What was the entry here? Purchase account data to Raghu's account.
Raghu's account.
How much amount we are recording over here? 10,000.
Sir, 10,000.
Now this has to be corrected here. So
Yes, sir.
the narration you will just copy down from the textbook, it is given, but understanding the part
Yes, sir.
of error is most important here. The next
Yes,
entry
sir.
is been told. Now where recorded at
Were
25,000.
recorded as
Now what is the
Yes, sir.
exactly the amount is 20,000. Here it is excess. Recording is excess means
5,000.
25,000. Excess amount of rupees 5,000 is taking place
Yes, sir.
for this. This got completed. Now this part. Now actually it should be 20,000. It is been excess amount is been paid 5,000 rupees. Got? So here what entry?
Yes, sir.
Now here we are going to make the correction. What correction we are going to make?
Yes, sir.
Raghu's
So
account data
5,000 we
to
will purchase account.
purchase account.
Excuse me.
How much? 5,000.
The 5,000.
Now we have given him 25,000. Now we are taking him from him 5,000. In the Raghu's account, how it will be? Purchase account data to Raghu's account, right? But we are taking him from his account. That is what reverse. So it is debited over to the Raghu's account. Here it is when he is making a sale for us, it will be his income, and this is what there is a reduction of his amount. Then next one, the fourth one, what it is been told? Were not posted to his account. Now it is not posted mean what kind of error we get? When the amount is not posted to his account, means journal entry has took place. Are you getting the point? Journal entry has taken place, but in the account it is not posted. Means
Yes, sir.
which kind of error we get?
Sir, errors of omission.
Omission.
Means partial omission.
Right, you are right. Now you got the idea about it, how it has been given. See, if it is completely not recorded,
Yes, sir.
error of omission, that is what complete omission, and it is recorded in the journal entry but not posted means what? It is a partly omission. Now here the entry for this
Sir, partial omission.
partial omission, we got the thing about it. Now this will is fourth one, right? So fourth one, suspense account.
Yes, sir.
Account data to Raghu's account.
To Raghu's account.
How much amount is 20,000, right?
20,000. Yes, sir.
20,000. This was the fourth and fifth. Fifth entry, what it has been told? Where
Sir,
posted in his
sir,
account
posted
to
to
rupees
account is 2,000.
Now here we are having the amount wrong entry. Instead of 20,000, we posted only 2,000. Means 18,000 amount is remained.
Yes, sir.
So same entry will be taken place. Means the shortage of amount which has been paid. Now the difference is 18,000. So you are going to say here suspense account
Account
data
to
18,000 it will be to Raghu's account.
yes, sir.
Raghu's account or purchase account?
Yes, sir. The Raghu's account.
Raghu's account.
That's it. So I may get disconnected due to the shortage of time. Just tell me the first entry. How many are remained?
So were
Still four.
posted to
still four
Rekhav's
are
account.
were posted to Raghav's account.
Rekhav's account.
Raghav,
Yes, sir.
RHGHAV, Raghav's account. So Raghav account is not there here, right? So it has
No,
taken
sir.
place.
Yes.
It is
What it
Raghu's
is purchase
account.
account data to Raghav's account. Now we are going to take the amount from Raghav's account. So entry will be Raghav's account
Raghav's account debtor to Raghu's account. So 20,000.
So this was done. Now next one.
Posted to the debit of Raghu's account.
Were posted to the debits of Raghu's account.
Raghu's account, yes, sir.
What it means now? Posted to the Raghu's account.
In
See-
current posting ledger account, it has been posted in the debit side.
Now the
Raghu's
Raghu's
side.
account,
Raghu's